Chief Minister Conrad Sangma will be visiting New Delhi to meet union ministers to hold discussions on several issues, including the Common University Entrance Test. Sangma will be meeting Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan to discuss the need to find a long-term solution to the CUET issue, which included the setting up of centres across the state. Furthermore, Sangma will also be meeting the chairman of the National Thermal Power Corporation to discuss issues relating to the power sector in the state. The Chief Minister will also meet Union Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal to discuss issues relating to the Unity Mall project in Meghalaya. Meanwhile, Sangma is also seeking an appointment with Defence Minister Rajnath Singh to discuss the transfer of Cantonment Board land to the Municipal Board.
There are multiple purposes. Number one, I will be visiting and meeting the Honorable Education Minister along with our Education Minister. This is to discuss about the CUET issue and how to find solutions to it in the long run in terms of setting up more centres around the state. I will be meeting the chairman of NTPC also as we have some plans along with them to look at some power plants in Meghalaya. Details I cannot give out right now. I will also be meeting Mr. Piyush Goyal, the Commerce Minister. The objective is to discuss about the Unity Mall project in Meghalaya, which is a very unique one.